Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can identify grammar mistakes on Medium. Definitely it is with Grammarly, but it is how it can be done in one go and how it can be avoiding of repetitive tasks using a simple trick. Hope this will be helpful for you. Let's go to my Medium page. So this is my Medium account. So I want to verify the grammar mistakes in this story. I want to verify the spellings or the grammar mistakes what I made in this story. So usually what is the common step is like go here, install Grammarly, or else just go one by one, right? You have to go one by one to over to each mistake and then correctify. So imagine if you are doing this for long pages. So what's the best trick? I'll show you. What you have to do, go here, see more in Grammarly. So it will come up with the suggestions. Now you don't have to scroll your mouse to each mistake. It will automatically go to the next mistake and it will ask you whether you want to accept it or dismiss it. So just keep on doing this until it gets clear for all the mistakes. Can you see it is automatically going to the next mistake? You don't have to move your cursor, do this all repetitive task one by one. You just keep on going, accept, just go over the mistake and see if it is accept or dismiss. In this way you can modify your story entirely in one go using this Grammarly, which is very easy and very helpful rather than checking your mistakes, going it one by one. Just keep on doing it until you clear all your mistakes, grammar mistakes with Grammarly. It is very helpful trick. So now 33 issues were there and which are cleared with the help of Grammarly. In this way you can modify your story, identify the grammar mistakes and just change it in one go in a very easy and comfortable way. Just say save and publish. That's it. Clear. We are good. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.